Okay, let's move on now to the third pattern, and in this pattern we will do the following count: 1E and 2E and 3E and 4E and 1E and 2E and 3E and 4E and. The hi-hat will play every sound of the count: 1E and 2E and 3E and 4E and 1E and 2E and 3E and 4E and. Now, bass drum 1 and 3. Snare drum will play on 2 and 4. So let's play the sequence combining hi-hat and bass drum, and hi-hat and snare drum, bass drum and snare drum, and all together. 1E and 2E and 3E and 4E and 1E and 2E and 3E and 4E and 1E and 2E and 3E and 4E and 1E and 2 and 3E and 4E and 1E and 2E and 3E and 4E and 1E and 2E and 3E and 4E and 1E and 2E and 3E and 4E and 1E and 2 and 3E and 4E and. So there you have it. This would be our third and final pattern that we can use to play to slow tempo songs. Of course, we can play it a little bit faster. Or even a little bit slower. So there you have it. 3 easy drum patterns to play rock, pop or other genres at slow, fast and mid-tempo. Now we are going to play these same patterns combined all together, but with music, so you can hear how they really sound in a musical context. So there you have it. Let me know in the comment section below what do you think about this video in general, or even if you have any questions, or even if you just want to leave your opinion, I will answer it as soon as possible. In case you would like to support the channel, if you like the content, you can donate a coffee for Ale Brukman. You can also support the channel by music from Saerius or myself, and I thank you in advance. Thank you very much. And now, because you didn't skip the video, I would like to give you a free PDF file with all the lessons covered in this video, and also with a transcription of the drum part for the musical theme that we played. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell, and of course also comment, share and like the video, and I will be seeing you in the next one. Bye!